Hi, so I just wanted to officially announce that I have opened the doors to my membership program. If we have not met yet, hi, my name is Catara. I am a creative business owner and full-time entrepreneur. I created the Paid Creator Collective to help creators turn what they love doing into cash, and also to help them go from being a content creator to a paid creator. So every month I will be doing a live course on how you can make money as a creator. We will also be having monthly co-working sessions where you get to work alongside your other member mates. We will be doing a monthly Q&A the week after we do our live lessons. And then we will also be doing quarterly networking events so you can mingle with the other creators in the space. Whether you are a complete beginner on YouTube and you're trying to figure out how you're going to make money, or you're already monetized and you're trying to figure out how to create some additional revenue streams through creating digital products and stuff like that, I want to help. I have personally built my creator business from the ground up, and I have done almost everything on my own with the exception of some courses and some mentoring that I have gotten along the way. So I have created my own websites, I create all of my digital products, I do almost all of my graphics, edit every single last one of my videos, and do all of my social media campaigns. And even found every single client that I've worked with. So what I want to do now basically is bring up other creators with me and show you how you can make money online as well by using YouTube. But I want to do it in a way where you don't have to go through as many hiccups that I have, because trust me, it's been a lot. So if you're interested in this, then go ahead and click the link below in the description box, or click the button that says join us wherever you're at. And just in case you're not convinced yet, then I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting inside of the program and my plan. And also I wanted to put this PSA out there that this is such a high touch program for me, and I want to put all of my energy with helping creators out. I will be closing the door. So it's best to join while you can, because honestly, I don't know when I'll open it back up. So now we're going to get into the content of what I'm going to be doing inside of the program. So for the next 6 months, there will be a new section taught live the first week of the month, followed by a Q&A session the next week, a monthly virtual co-working session to work on something for your creator business, and then a quarterly virtual networking meeting. So the monthly Q&A sessions will be held on Zoom. I'll be there to answer any of your questions about your creator business, your YouTube channel, or any other video marketing questions. And since this is a monthly occurrence, I will start to know what you're working on pretty well. The monthly co-working session, so this will be a dedicated hour during the month to quietly work on whatever you want alongside your other member mates. The quarterly virtual networking meeting, so I want people to get used to saying what they do and talking to other people about it. I've joined so many groups in the past, and there were so many dope people in these groups, but I couldn't personally get to know them unless I reached out. And I have met some of my most aligned friends, business partners, and people that I connect to and look up to through networking on the internet. So my hope is that you meet your new creator bestie, business partner, or client in the virtual networking meeting. The membership community will be held inside of Geneva, which has a desktop and a mobile version for your phone. It's a mixture of like Slack and Discord, so we will be able to have specific chats, message each other, see upcoming events, host audio chats, and there's a lot of things you can do on this app. I really love it. Now to the content. These are lessons I plan on teaching in the next 6 months. So month 1 is the money making plan. So this month we're going to get clear on who you're talking to and make a plan on how you're going to monetize your audience. So whether you want to release a product, find some affiliates, maybe you just want to get paid by YouTube, we're going to make a plan on how you're going to do that. In month 2, we're going to go into how to create the digital products and websites. So creating a digital product on Canva, creating a website. If enough people are interested, I'll do a Wix building masterclass. Month 3, this month we're going to talk about YouTube. So I'm going to do a whole YouTube masterclass where I put all the information I knew into one whole course. So I'm going to go over scripting, filming, editing, SEO, uploading, all the things and such. So basically all the things that I learned in my course, I'm going to teach you guys. Form, Amazon affiliates masterclass. So how to set up your storefront, how to get accepted into on-site commissions. I'm going to be sharing the videos that I use to get accepted into there, and sort of like the research that I've done before I actually started the Amazon program. And then month 5 is email marketing. So building an email list, what emails to send, email templates. We're going to go through all of that in month 5. Month 6, social media marketing. So how to use each platform, how to promote, which platform will be best for you, because you do not have to be on every single last one of them. You should just pick 1 or 2 aside from YouTube to promote on. So yeah, if you're interested, either click the link in the description box or press the join us button wherever you see this video at. And I will see you on the inside.